there he goes, 10 o'clock. Shoot. Oh, these Teslas are leaving. So which stall should we get? We've got a choice. So obviously we'll go for the one that is not being used. We'll go for this one. I wanted to get close to the post so that I've got more space going in. That's it. I want to get more space going in. Very close actually. Very close, like that. But I want to give more space. Good. That gives a lot of space. Okay, so I'll just switch this off. And we'll try the supercharging with the wet damp cloth. I'm just going to use this. I don't mind getting a little bit wet, but I just want to use some water, a damp rag. I don't have, so I'll just use this. Whoops, that's okay, just a little bit wet there. I do have a towel here, but I'm going to use this wet rag, and we'll see. Let's park, and we'll supercharge. Oops, what am I doing? I want to record this. So I've got a wet rag here. Notice I'm parked with a lot of space here. Well, maybe this wet tissue, but it still is quite warm. So this wet tissue that I'm using might, so just wrap this wet tissue around it to see what happens, because it's quite hot here, about 30 degrees. Just use this wet tissue to see what happens. As you can see, I've actually parked right over, so that there's a lot of space for the next Tesla to come. Let's see how long it will take. So to charge up to, oops, again you stopped. So to charge up to 90%, it is saying from 19% it will take me 40 minutes. Last time it said 50 minutes or 55 minutes. So maybe the temperature does make a difference. So we shall see. And this is good supercharging practice by this guy who's just come in. He's not sharing any stalls. This is another reason why we've got 40 minutes, because we're not sharing any stalls as well. So we're at 110 kilowatts as opposed to say 50 or 56 from last time. So that's another reason why the supercharging will be quicker today, hopefully. So we'll see. Completed charging, 158 and 10 cents, $158.10. That took, what time is it now? 10:50, about 10:57. So that took 50 minutes. So we'll unlock the charge port. We're at 90%. Let's just check. 90% for this is 324 kilometers. Last time it went up to 325. So have I lost range? Because it only charged up the 90% to 324 kilometers. We don't know. So we'll unlock the charge port. Okay, and let's go and disconnect. Almost dry, but still damp.